YouTube stacking community, the stacking nerd here today with an unboxing. Wherever you're watching this from and whenever you're watching this, I hope that you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be unboxing the February starter stacker box and a special surprise. If you don't know, MK Barz is a company that specializes in poured silver pieces. They offer a monthly subscription service that delivers exclusive poured silver pieces to your door each month. Now they do have 3 tiers. There is the beginner stacker, which is the pack that I get. It comes in 2 ounces, and the serious stacker is the middle tier. It has 4 ounces, and on your first delivery you get a free treasure chest, which is pretty cool. And the extreme stacker has 8 ounces. You get a free t-shirt, a treasure chest, and the MK Barz presentation box on your first delivery. Now that tier only has 100 members at a time. Now each one of them also has access to a members only page and blogs and discount codes. If during this video you're interested in purchasing subscription for yourself or anything on MK Barz website, you can use the code SN10 to save 10% off your total order. I just want to remind you that poured silver does carry a higher premium, and there's absolutely no guarantee that you will ever recoup your premium, and it's not for everyone. So you can just always come back and watch me unbox my box. I don't mind spending my hard-earned money sharing it with you guys. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, first things first, I've got a sticker and lots of confetti. My cat's gonna love this. Right, it's a little bit more in here. Okay, more stickers. Whoa, what is that? Ooh, guys, I got a little bag. It says MK Barz on it. I love that logo. That's pretty cool. All right. Let's get down to the poured silver. Ooh. Let's turn it right side up. All right, here's the bar. It says stacking MK Barz exclusive member. If we flip it over, there's a 3/9 fine silver and 2 troy ounces. Let's look at the edges here. Very neat. I don't have anything this shape in my collection, so that's pretty cool. And it's toned on top and on the bottom so that you can read the lettering. Something else is we also get a sticker. I haven't gotten this one before. MK Barz is the pirate theme. Let's take a look at the surprise I have here. This is also from MK Barz. This is something that Michael from MK Barz and I have been working on. Really excited to see how this came out. Really heavy. Very cool. This is copper. Here you go. You guys may have seen this before. This is a melting Rubik's Cube. This is about 9 ounces of copper. And Michael and I were talking about making one of these. He made one out of silver, and he showed me his whole process that he had to go through to make this. It took him, I want to think, he said 10 hours to render the image to actually make this. And then he had to make the mold, of course. And he scaled it down, and I believe you can buy these in the 2-ounce version now, in both silver and copper. Isn't that cool? A melting Rubik's Cube. That's going to make a really nice addition to my desk. Very neat. That is really, really cool. Now, all the links for MK Barz and the discount code will be in the description down below if you're interested. I would like to thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic rest today. I will talk to you later.